VIVO V30E. Yeah, in this video we're going to talk about this mobile's complete features because this mobile is going to release May 2nd 2024 in India. Let's start with the display size. This mobile is coming with a 6.8 inches of bigger AMOLED display, and it is a HDR10 Plus supported 120Hz refresh rate display. And when we move on to the next step, that is a processor. This is the first mobile that is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, which is an octa-core 5G processor. And this mobile comes with 5G support. When we talk about the 5G, it does comes with some 5G bands. I will list the 5G bands in the description box down below. You can check it out from there. And this mobile will be available in two variants. Those are Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 along with the 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. These are UFS 2.2 storage capacity along with the LPDDR4X RAM types. So when we talk about the next aspect, that is the camera section. Yeah, Vivo mobiles are made for the cameras especially. This mobile comes with a dual cameras at the back side. That means dual rear cameras, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, as well as a secondary camera that is 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front also it comes with a 50 megapixels of selfie camera, which we can shoot up to 4K 30 fps with this mobile's back and front cameras. To power up this mobile, it packs a huge battery, that is a 5500 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 66 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any wireless or reverse wireless charging features, and this mobile doesn't have any IP68 water and dust resistant features also. This mobile comes with features like Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.3. This mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass, everything. This mobile comes with a stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack in this mobile also. Yeah, these are the major features of this mobile. When we talk about the price, yes, this is the major thing we need to know. This, according to the rumors, this mobile might come with a price tag of 25,000 rupees to 29,999, almost 26,000 to 30,000 rupees in between those price range. So for that price range, I think you can take a look at this mobile for purchasing. So by the way, if you're watching the video until now, subscribing to the channel will be amazing. And when we talk about the operating system, this mobile comes with a Android version 14 out of the box with the FunTouch OS 14. So these are the features of this mobile. So subscribe to the channel and like the video.